Tolbert from Lianro Metal Roofs and
Denise Wilkin.
also from Lianro Metal Roofs. And we are the Roof Ladies! Woo-hoo! Today we'll be talking to you about stone-coated steel roofs and are they noisy or not? What's the standard question we get, Denise?
So tell me, Lana, what makes these metal roofs not noisy?
Well, there's a couple of things. First, you can see there's a stone coating on the top, so that deadens the sound a bunch compared to like the backside that's the plain metal. You can hear the difference. So that's the first difference. The second thing is it's over top of a 2x2 bat system, so we create an airspace. So we have the airspace, and then most times we have either the other roof or the decking and dry-in. So you've got an airspace in the decking and dry-in. So that makes it nice and quiet, dampening sound. So that's it for this episode of Why Are Stone-Coated Steel Roofs Quiet?
Thanks for watching our channel. We hope you learned something that will help you save time and money when buying a metal roof. For a free roof buyer's protection kit valued at $347, please visit lianro.com for the instant download. Be sure to subscribe, and we will see you on the next video.